to meet Henry, the esteemed kitchen supervisor. Every day, he oversees operations with unparalleled dedication. Today's critical mission: a thorough quality control inspection of the pasta. No detail escapes his keen green eyes. True quality control demands a hands-on approach. A sample must be acquired for further analysis. The raw noodle undergoes rigorous examination. Crunchy, yes, but not quite up to Henry's exacting standards. One noodle simply wasn't sufficient. Clearly, the entire pasta shipment required a more comprehensive, hands-on review, and so the pasta uprising began. Henry, the supervisor, made his statement loud and clear amidst a shower of noodles. Some called it a mess, but Henry saw it as a successful inspection. His bright green eyes gleam with zero regrets. Every good supervisor deserves a bonus. A single cooked noodle accepted with grace and dignity. The pasta was just the beginning. Next episode: Henry versus the refrigerator.